Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to make the game keep score. So the way I've decided to do this is we're going to make like a coin in the middle of the pipes, and we're going to check for a collision with that coin. So when the bird, gets that coin, it's going to increment the score, and that's how we're going to keep score. And if I guess after that we're going to well, I'll start with that first, and then we'll go from there. So first thing to do is we're going to make a new class. Let me close the Android folder here, and let's make a new we'll just call it coin. That's fine. Sure. Extends Ector. One second. Let me Shift F12. Okay, so the coin, what is this going to do? Let me just look at my bird. I'm so lazy, I just want to just copy all this stuff. So we'll just give it a width and height. And I don't know what else it needs. It doesn't need anything else, does it? Let's just make a constructor here. Set width. Set height. And man, I think that's all we have to do. We have to make a draw. How do you draw things? I need to consult my bird class again. Oh, we need the act method too, right? Draw, you do like that. We don't have a region though. Create field region. Well, for now, let's just use bird, even though that makes no sense. I don't want to spend time making Ruby, because later we're just going to get rid of this draw method so that nothing's drawn and you can't actually see the coin. Just like, like the normal Flappy Bird, I know there's a version, I've seen a version that has like a coin in the middle of the pipes, but we're just going to get rid of this draw method, and you're not going to be able to see this, but the coin is going to be there just to keep score, right? That's just the way I've decided to implement this. So for now, let's just fill this with bird, and we're going to draw a bird instead of any kind of coin. Act. Override we need to do something in our act method here. And what are we going to do? We're going to actually need a velocity vector here. get x, set x to get x plus vel dot x times delta. So make sure we initialize okay. I'm going to consult pipe here because pipe moves and it needs to have the same move velocity. Well, let's not make another one. Let's just vel.x equals pipe.move velocity. Okay, yeah, negative. Okay. And there's no vel.y, so so that should do for our coin. Now what we're going to do is, in our pipe pairs class, this contains 2 pipes. It's also going to contain a coin. New coin. Okay, so we initialize it in the constructor. And we need to just set its position relative to either the top or bottom pipe. Let's do bottom pipe. Coin.setPosition bottom pipe dot get y gets the top of the bottom pipe. Oh, I need to set x first, so x is just going to be get x align center. And the y is going to be bottom pipe, get y, align top. Plus the gap size divided by 2. And then we're going to align it in the center there. So it's basically just a matter of setting the right position for coin. And we're going to need this in all of these anytime the pipe moves. Whoops. Okay. I think that'll do it. Let's just see what happens when we run. I'm sure I'm forgetting something here. Okay, so it looks like nothing's actually showing up, and that's because the coin never gets added to the stage, and if it's not added to the stage, it's not going to get drawn. So I think in our gameplay screen, we add the pipe pairs to the stage, and we need to not only add the bottom and top pipes, now we need to add the coin. So we're going to do, should be able to get coin. Doesn't exist yet. So let's go back to the pipe pairs. Create a, how do I create alt insert getter coin, get coin. That's what we need here. Get coin. And there we go, it's available. Now let's try it. So, by the way, if you want to do like better artwork or something for the game, just let me know. Oh, there it is. So, and they continue to move when we die. Yeah, if you want to do a better artwork, feel free to do it and send it to me, and I'll put it in if it looks cool. Also, it's good practice if you want to make like a pull request to the Git repository. I've never done that, so it'd be a good learning experience for me too. How to work on like these open source projects, because we're not just making a game here. We're trying to learn how to program too, right? So what do we have to do? It looks like our coins continue to move after we died. So there was one method that was called stop the world, which happens when we die. It's in charge of stopping all the stops the pipe pairs from moving, and we also need to stop the coins. Well, I think it makes sense to do it in this pipe pairs. Get coin. Set I need to set this velocity to 0, so I need a, since it's private, I'll just make a getter for it. What? Set. Oh, sorry. I also need a setter. Because I want to set the velocity to 0. I don't want to just read it. Set velocity 0, 0. Why can't I do that? Set velocity. What? Takes a val. Oh, I'd have to give it a new velocity. Let's make a, instead of doing it like this, I'll do, and then we'll set val dot x to x and val dot y to y. Okay, so now it likes it. Okay. So let's see this, see what happens. I'm at 14 minutes right now, so we're doing okay on time. I'm kind of surprised how long some of these videos are. Like, it takes a lot of time to do this stuff, you know? Programming just takes it out of you. Everything looks good so far. And they do stop. That's good. So, now we need to check for collisions with the coins, and if we collide, we're going to increment the score. So where is that done? Where is our check collisions method? There it is. Pair. So pair.get coin. Coin needs a bounds as well. going to be just like the pipe bounds. Let's initialize this guy. Set to width and height. Okay. Now when we act, we actually need to update the bounds as well. Set position XY. I think this is the XY is the bottom left of the it's just going to be the same as the actors get X and the actors get Y. Okay, so now we didn't make a setter for it. Let's just do getter and setter just in case. Just in case I need the setter at some point. Get bounds, overlaps, bird, get bounds, yep. Instead of stopping the world, we need to increment the score, and we need to update the score label. I'll make a new method for that because we're going to have to do a couple things, I think. Set the text to score. And the score is an integer, so this needs a character sequence. Can we do it like this? String dot value of score. It's happy with that. I guess string and character sequence, I'm not sure exactly how they're related, but they're the same thing essentially as far as I know. Another thing I would do here is center the label according to the new width so that it's always in the middle. I'm not going to do that because, well, I forgot how to do it without referencing my old code. But so let's say you get up to like 100 or something, and then, or you get up to 1,000, a score of 1,000, it's going to be off center because 1,000 is pretty long. I mean, it's not really necessary with the kind of game that we're making, but if you're a perfectionist like me, maybe you'd want to do that. It's good to know how, just in case, you know, for your other games, you're going to need to know how to do that for bigger projects. So let's see if this, another thing we need to do is we can't just, increment the score. This is going to happen every frame because we're going to constantly be overlapping as we go through the coin. So we need to, when this happens, we need to actually move the coin so that we're not, constantly hitting it. So let's say pair at move coin. Let's move the coin off screen. Okay. Let's create the method. Creates the method for us in pipe pairs. in pipe pair class. We need to set coin, set position. Let's just set the y. Coin dot set y. Coin dot get y. And we're going to add 10,000 or something ridiculous so that it's way up off the top of the screen. And it'll get reset when right here when the pipe pair goes off the screen, or actually here in the re-init pipes, when the pipe pair goes off the screen, the coin gets its position set back to the middle. So let's see if this works. I think I covered all the bases, so it should be good to go. We're at 21 minutes, so oh, I got an exception. Null pointer, bounds. We did not initialize the bounds, is what happened here. Bounds gets new, new rectangle, sorry. And actually it should be like this, because we can put it in the constructor instead of setting it. Just like that. Run. Now it's going to work. There it is. So here we go. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So let's do something else, because I'm a perfectionist. The coin, let's make it a width of like 2 and a height of, yeah, let's just do 128, so that it is more accurate. And you have to get further through the pipes to get the score. There it is. 1, 2, up. So there you have it. Instead of doing it like that, now all we have to do is eliminate this draw. I think we can just eliminate the entire function from coin. And now, well, let's not do that. Let's just comment this, so that we can always bring this back if we want to debug. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also modified the just the way that his actions are rotating, so it looks better, I think. So there we go. That covers it for this tutorial, or for this video. I'm not done with the tutorial yet. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like and stuff, and subscribe, comment. I don't know what that really does for me, but maybe it makes my videos show up higher in the search ratings or something. Anyways, see you guys in the next video, and take care.